What was the other thing I'm gonna say?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Okay, thanks. Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators. So a couple of weeks ago, I shared a secret I discovered about painting ceilings, and that was to tint the primer. I hadn't read about this, and it just worked really remarkably well. And so I have discovered another secret about painting that I wanted to share, because again, this is really simple, but it has helped us tremendously. And that is to paint your closet walls with ceiling paint instead of regular paint. So we're back in the closet here. If you remember, if you've watched any of the videos that I did about mudding drywall, it was in this closet where I learned how to mud drywall. And so what happened, of course, is that the drywall was a hot mess by the time we finished. And of course, I got a lot better at mudding drywall, but sort of all my mistakes showed up in the closet here. And so I tried to make repairs where I could, try to figure out some other things, but started thinking about, is there a particular paint that I can use that might help to minimize the flaws. And so I noticed that the flaws in ceilings were minimized when I used ceiling paint, and so I thought, why not use ceiling paint on the walls as well? And so there's a number of reasons where I think this is a good idea, and it's worked out really great. First of all, it's super bright white, and so I think for when you hang up your clothes, you don't have distracting colors to go against the clothes that you're going to use. And then second of all, it's the exact same paint as the ceiling, so if you have to do repairs or whatever, you don't have to worry about not touching the ceiling and so on. And so again, these walls are not perfect. These were my beginning walls, but you can see, they're not half bad thanks to the paint. And so we have quarter round up instead of regular crown molding, but that hides some flaws there. And then we have this nice swath of white walls for hanging clothes and ceiling paint. And so I use ceiling paint that I got at Home Depot. It's about $25 for 2 gallons, I think. Again, primed first, and then 1 and 2 coats of paint, depending on where I was painting. Really happy with the results of this closet, and so wanted to share that with you. When you paint your closet walls, use ceiling paint. Brilliant, right? So if you don't mind, take a moment and hit the subscribe button, wherever it is, so you'll be alerted to when we have more content on our channel. It helps with the YouTube analytics. It helps us feel like someone's watching the videos. It's a nice thing to do. So would appreciate it if you hit subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. We won't bug you personally about it. And while you're at it, you can hit the like button too. So anyway, that's it from Retired Renovators, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.